Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about down payments for your house. Okay, so a lot of people will think that, and I have people call me all the time and say, I can't afford a house, I don't have 20% down. For some reason that 20% number is always out there. You don't need 20% down. So the reason why 20% is a big number is if you put down 20%, you can avoid mortgage insurance. So it'll lower your payment. But to be honest with you, how many of us really have 20% sitting in our bank account when we go to buy a house? Not that many of us. So there's a lot of different ways to be able to get into your loan. And I'm going to explain all the different ways. Okay, so you could do as little as actually 0% down. There's like VA loans, but you have to be a veteran to do that, or you can get a grant to do 0% down. Grants have special restrictions to them, like you have to make a certain amount of income or under a certain amount of income. There's extra guidelines on those, and you have to stay in the house for a specific period of time. One of the grants that I use a lot has a 3-year restriction. So if you move out, if you refinance or anything like that within that 3 years, you have to pay back the grant. So if you don't want any of those restrictions, plus the 0% down grant has, nothing really ever comes for free. What they do is they really tack the amount of the down payment onto your interest rate. So you're paying a little bit higher interest rate to get the grant. Now, if that's the only way that you can get into the house, that's perfectly fine. The grants are awesome to be able to get, and I do those all the time. There's another one that's 2% down, so that you only have to pay 1.5% down to be able to get into a house. So most of the time when I'm going over down payment options with clients, they're going to pick the 2% grant option because 1.5% is a pretty decent amount to come in with the house. If you don't want to be held by restrictions or anything like that, and you want the best rate possible for where your credit is, then you could do, conventional has a 3% down program, and FHA is 3.5% down. So there's a lot of different options to down payment. I just wanted to put this out there so that you aren't thinking that, oh, I can't get into my house because I don't have the down payment. There's options available. So give me a call. We could talk about all the options available to you, go over which one works best for you, and get you out looking for your house. I mean, right now is such a perfect time to buy. With how crazy low the interest rates are, your payments are lower than what you'd ever receive before. So please give me a call. I'm going to leave my phone number on the screen. If not, you could send me a message. I hope you have a great day.